Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we will discuss the concept of normally open contact and normally closed contact. In the electrical drawings you have seen indications like this. This is for the normally open contact or simple button, and this indication is used for the normally closed contact. Or you must have seen this in the electrical drawings. This and this is for the normally closed and this is for the normally open, but you must not be familiar with these two indications. These are the indications of the ladder logic. This is how we indicate normally open contact in ladder logic, and this is how we can indicate the normally closed contact in the ladder logic. So in the previous lecture we have developed this logic. You can see that this is the normally open contact and this is the normally closed contact, and this is obviously the coil. So when you turn on this normally open contact, this is because normally closed, so the path is already cleared. And like this, the if I say in the lame language, the current is already being passed from here and it needs just to turn on the start. So when we turn on the start, the current passes through here and then all the way goes to the motor 1 and motor 2. Because the motor 1 is on, this contact also would be turned on, and the path would be from this. If you turn the start button off, still these motor 1 and motor 2, those would get the supply from here until stop is pressed. Okay, so let's test the logic by logging in, and let's download it and we can see that how these things work. Okay, let's run it. So if I turn the start button on, you can see that motor 1 is on now. It should be motor 2, but it doesn't matter. So here you see, if I have turned off the start, but still motor 1 is on until I press the stop. So this was the basic concept of normally open contact, normally closed contact, and the output coil. We have discussed already the latching here, but we will cover it in a separate lecture in detail. Now let's discuss the concept of interlocking of motors. So here this is motor 2. Let's rename them. Let's rename it like motor forward and motor reverse to better understand the concept of interlocking of motors. So RW. So here we can see, like, let's make the logic for that. Here it is the motor forward. Okay, let's change it also, start forward. So in this case, if I hit the start forward button, our motor forward would turn on, but if I hit the start reverse button, our motor reverse would be turned on too. Like, this output will be energized, and like the motor is same, it can't run in both directions. Like when it is running in forward direction, it can't run in the reverse direction. If we want to run it like that, it will break the shaft or it will create a mess. Okay, so for that purpose we must need the interlocking here. So what we will do is we will simply add the normally closed contact of this forward motor forward here. So in that case, when the motor forward is running, this one would be open because it is normally closed, but when it is energized, it would be opened. Okay, so it will not let the current pass from here. Like when we are pressing the start reverse, motor reverse won't turn on, and we will do the same for the forward one. So we are interlocking them both. Okay, so in that case, here motor reverse, so we are interlocking them both. Like when this is running, this should not run, and when this is running, this should not run. So let's test the logic now and get the better idea. So here if I turn this on, so motor forward is now running, and if I turn on the motor reverse in 2, you can see that the motor reverse is not running now. So if I turn off the start forward In that case, motor reverse would start, and now motor forward could not start. Here you see it is interlocked. So this is on, this is off. Because of this, forward motor cannot be started. So this was the basic idea of interlocking of motors. This is commonly used in the industry and very important concept. That's why I wanted to share it with you. I hope I made everything clear about normally open contact, normally closed contact coils, and then the interlocking of motors. See you in the next lecture.